We're always being told that there are ways to find out if a product will sell before we make it, but nobody tells us how to find that out. Apart from today, I'm going to show you how to do it without emailing your list, without running surveys, and without asking in Facebook groups. After this. Hey guys, welcome back to ProfitGoPilot.com. My name is MICK, MEANEY, and this is all about helping you to get better results online. And today in the UK, the pollen count is really high and my hay fever is just doing my head in. So I'm going to try and get through this as easily as I can without sneezing or making any other unpleasant noises. So today I'm going to give you some guru level secrets for free that will let you know if your product is going to sell before you even make it. Lots of people talk about this, but they don't show you how to ensure that you're delivering the right content to the right audience. So by the end of this, you're going to know exactly how to do that. You're going to know what type of content to include in your product. You're going to know what type of content to use for top of the funnel stuff, for your middle of the funnel stuff, and your bottom of the middle stuff. You're going to know what your customers want and why they want to achieve it. You're going to know what the right terminology is, what the first language of those people are, and you're even going to learn the right structure for the sales page that will appeal to that particular audience. So I'm going to give you a little tip. It's a very short, quick tip, but you're going to learn a lot from it, and you can apply this in multiple ways throughout your products, throughout the content of your website. And obviously this is best done if you have a solid passion about the niche, because you do have to share some rock solid information, or you need to work with someone who is incredibly knowledgeable in your niche. Either way is fine. So most product creation is done backwards. It works like this. People will make the product that they want to make, not the product that people want to buy necessarily. So they will make the thing that they think is going to sell, but they never do the market research that will tell them if it's a viable product. So I'm going to show you how to do some of that market research now. So you probably know that asking your potential customers directly what they want is probably the smartest way to do it. And you can do that through surveys, but that's not always practical. Maybe we don't have a big email list, or maybe we don't know what the right questions should be. There's lots of barriers that prevent us from using surveys. So instead, you could join a Facebook group and ask them. But a lot of groups don't like that. Again, you don't know what questions need to be asked. So I understand that those two ways are not always practical. But if you can do both of those, please do. Okay, I'm going to show you how to get the info that you need straight away and have something solid and tangible to work with. But let's fast forward for a second. You got your product done, but who's going to buy it? You're going to need customers, right? So you need traffic. And that's why I've got a free training video for you. It's going to give you 3 free traffic methods that you can use today and drive more traffic to your site. And you can get that when you go to ProfitGoPilot.com/traffic. But back to today. So for immediate, accurate market research, data that you can use and hit the ground running with, we're going to use the Dummies Guide. Now, these are really hard to beat because the Dummies Guide, well, that company is amongst the best in the world at market research. They've essentially done everything for you, and they've already asked thousands of people for their opinion on what they need help with in pretty much every single niche you can think of. They've got over 200 million books out there in print, and these books, they're aimed at the widest section of any market, which is the beginners, the novices. So open up your browser window, follow along with me because we're going to do this together. So head over to dummies.com. When you get to the website, at the top navigation, go to shop for books. We're not going to buy anything here, but I want you to have a look at the list on the left hand side. Here we can choose from a wide range of markets. Just for the purpose of demonstration, I'm going to hit the self-help and I'm going to go down to, let's see, we've got lots of potential niches here, lots of topics we can delve into. I would say if you see how to learn something in a day, I would avoid that because that doesn't have the content we need. So let's scroll down to boosting self-esteem for dummies. Very popular niche, so let's see what they have got to say. So there, immediately under description, you're going to have some of the major pain points that your audience is facing. You're going to learn what they want to achieve. You're going to learn what some of the benefits are, but this is what I really want to draw your attention to. There's a tab there, it says Table of Contents. Click on that. Here is a structure you can use for your funnel. So, chapter 1, explaining self-esteem. So this could be a blog post. And let me make this really clear. I don't want you to plagiarize this or copy it directly. I want you to use it for inspiration. So here you know that at the very top of your funnel, you need to explain what self-esteem is and why it's important. So this is the first piece of contact that your potential customers are going to have with you. Use your knowledge, put your unique spin and insights onto this. So that could be a blog post. Secondly, exploring the effects of low self-esteem. This could be a webinar and working out your self-worth. This could be a lead magnet, a cheat sheet or an ebook. And then down into part 2, judging yourself compassionately, accurately and objectively. These could all be inspiration for your product. And there we have upsell ideas, we have downsell ideas, we have podcast topics, video ideas, blog posts, and there you're going to have a whole wealth of ideas and structure to use in the right way to use it. The Dummies Guide, they have invested thousands upon thousands upon thousands in every single book they create. They have done the market research for you, and you can tap in and use a little bit of that as inspiration for your own stuff. Okay, so now you have a complete structure for your products. You know what your customers want, you know what their pain points are, you know what they want to achieve and why, you know what terminology to use, you know what topics to focus on for your top of funnel content, you know what stuff should be used for lead magnets, you've got the outline for a very good course on your topic, and you've also got the foundation of a sales page. And it's only taken a few minutes to get that structure together, to be inspired by that. Again, let me make it really clear. It's okay to be inspired by stuff. Don't make a duplicate of the Dummies book. That's not cool. But certainly use it for inspiration. Use it for your market research so you know the pain points to hit, you know the benefits that your customers want. Okay, so I'm going to leave it there for today. I hope you found this useful. If you have, hit the like button below, subscribe to the channel too, because I know we're going to get on really well. I've got so much information and stuff for you that's going to help you profit online. So hit that little notification bell when you subscribe, and you'll be notified when I upload another video, which is going to be tomorrow. And tomorrow is Traffic Tuesday. It's the best day of the week because I get to show you some awesome traffic generation strategies for free. So there's that to look forward to. And speaking of traffic, don't forget to get that free guide I've got for you. It's a video guide going to give you 3 unique traffic strategies. So profitcopilot.com/traffic. Get that for free right now. Okay, thank you for checking this out. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you again tomorrow. Take care.